Hey all, Satyajit Patnaik here and welcome to the end-to-end Tableau tutorials. If you are ready to learn Tableau from scratch, data analysis expressions, build dashboards, and other BI skills using Tableau, you have come to the right place. This is a hands-on project-based course designed to guide you through the entire BI workflow from data preparation to analysis to visualization. We will start with introducing Tableau, installing the software we need for the course, and connecting towards the source data. From there, we will learn everything about calculated fields, groups, hierarchies, dimensions, measures, level of detail expressions, forecasting, and various other things. Lastly, we will combine our entire learning to build a powerful and stunning dashboard. Who is this course for? Doesn't matter. If you are an experienced professional or a fresher, this course makes sure that you learn Tableau from scratch, which means the classes are going to start from very basics and will take you to the most advanced topics. Once you master Tableau, you are ready to jump into the field of data analytics as a data analyst or as a BI analyst or as a Tableau developer. We have a lot to cover, so let's dive in.